Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096. If you are new to Kiwi Lane and you'd like to create an account, which you will need to do before you can place any order, I would greatly appreciate it if you put my number in. Again, it's 247096. You only have to do it once, and every order thereafter, they'll remember that your account is connected with mine. Okay, thanks. This video is to showcase the June 2024 Kiwi Lane kit titled Sun, Sea, Sand. As you see on the box here, there's the QR code for the digital idea book. All you need to do is take a photo of that with your camera and it will bring up the PDF. In the PDF, there's lots of ideas, tips, tricks, techniques made by the Kiwi Club crew at corporate, and it helps you just design beautiful scrapbook pages. But what I want to do is showcase this kit and show you all the pieces that are involved in it, the papers, the dies, and of course, the beautiful templates. So let's open it up. It's going to be a little bit of a glare because I haven't taken it out of the plastic yet. So I'll just shut my light off for a minute. It's a little bit of an overcast day here in Texas. It's been raining almost every day for the past week or so, but I'm gonna venture on and continue my video with what light I have. So here you have the 6x12 idea sheet. It gives you 2 sketches on how to use this kit. Here are the templates inside of this kit. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new templates. Another QR code for the digital idea book, so only have it on the box. You also have it on this sheet, and another QR code for save the dates for events, particularly with this kit. This kit pairs well with Coastal Highway, which is out of the vault this month. I'll put a link. Summer, which I will put a link for that also, and Tiny Wacky. Luckily, I have all the templates. And as I said earlier, here's 2 ideas. The creative theme options that they suggest for this month are ocean memories, sandy beach memories, sunny summer memories. Do layouts by the pool, by the beach, on a cruise. You could even do a lighthouse one if you wanted to, probably. Whale watching, as I see the whales on this pretty paper. And in this kit, you can create at least 3 2-page scrapbook layouts or 6 1-page layout. So what kind of papers are in this? Well, everything that's involved in the kit. You'll get 12 by 12 80-pound pattern paper sheets, which are double-sided. 3 of those are main sheets, 3 are supporting sheets, and 6 are background sheets. Now the background sheets, it says 6, but you get 2 of them, 2 of each one, so that's 6. Then there are the title cards that are in here. Not sure how many are in this one. And the designer template set. So let's open it up. If I need to turn the light on, I will as we go on. But I need to get the paper out of this plastic first. You'll also notice that in the kit, there have these protective corners. That's so that when the kit comes to you, the corners of the paper won't be ripped or bent or torn. But you know, accidents do happen when the mail goes through the system. So if you do have a problem with your kit, the missing template, missing title card or something, just contact corporate at support@kiwilane.com and they'll fix you right up. Let's take those corners off, put them over here. Yes, I collect the corners for some reason. We are going to do the paper first. I usually do the paper first. We're going to put these templates over here, title cards there. Sun, Sea, Sand. Okay, this is the first paper. Let's see with the light on. No, I'll just leave it off. Really cute. I like the different whales on there. There's other sea creatures too. Cute little crab, an octopus. Really cute. So this is side A, and this is side B. Now, if this is your first time here watching one of my videos, you'll know that I will tell you, or let you know, not tell you, but I'll let you know which side I prefer. It's either going to be side A, the whales, which is really cute, or side B, which is like a chevron, a thick chevron pattern that's in red. Well, it's a light peach, okay? So side B or side A, we're going to go with side A because that's the theme of the kit. Now, this paper is very, very pretty, but it looks like 4th of July to me. So you could use it for 4th of July, for fireworks is what it looks like. Pinwheels, really, really, some of the colors are muted. It's very pretty. So I like side A or side B. I might have to use both, but we're going to go with side A first because I have more options for that one on what I could use. Pinwheels, 4th of July, Memorial Day, stuff like that. This paper, I noticed, is really, really super themed for this kit. So this is side A. It's beach accessory themed. There's palm trees, bathing suits, ice cream cones, an umbrella, a surfboard, a sun. And in the summer die cut set, if you see that, there's a surfboard, there's an umbrella, there's suntan lotion. So that's what templates that I think you should use with this paper. So this is side A, really, really cute. And this is side B. And like I said earlier, for themed pages, I'm going to go with side A. Really, really cute. Like the little bag too. Let's get naughty. Paper, really, really cute. It would go cute with this, like half and half on a page with the borders underneath. Side A or side B. I'm going to go with side B because I could use this for the sun rays and one of the templates. I could use it for the borders, a background border if I was going to use funky frills or something like that. So I'm going to go with side B. Now this paper is a striped. If you know me, you'll know that I think that stripes need to go up and down. It's just the way that I work. Don't know why. Stripes need to go up and down. So this is side A, and this is side B. And again, I'm going to go with side A. It looks like we have a 4-to-1 vote right now on side A's against a side B. Maybe we'll change it with this next one. This is really, really cute. It's like a water-themed paper to me with all the scallops, you know. Could use this with the coastal highway as waves. So this is side A, and this is side B. And we go with side A. So we're 5-to-1 now on the A's as we approach the background sheets. So you're going to get 2 of these pretty, pretty blues. It has like a herringbone pattern in it. So this is side A. This is side B, which is a pretty pale yellow. Luckily, there's 2 of them, so I can use 1 of each. And I think I will. Now, I like this red. Really, really pretty. Side A, and there's 2 of these also again. This is side A, and this is side B. I'm going to go with side A. And finally, the last 2 sheets. It's like a white, it's a white paper. It has very faint herringbone. It's like in an off-whitish. So it's very, very subtle. So this is side A. Let's see what side B is. Side B, blue. Not sure on either of these, but I like them both. I would probably use side B because I don't use very many white light colors on my pages. So that's another side B. So what is it? 7 A's and 2 B's, 3 B's, something like that. Let's do the title cards next. I read somewhere that some of these are shaped title cards, so we'll see. We're going to take the darkest blue and we're going to put it there so that I can lay the title cards on it for you to see. And we're going to go through each of these just like the papers. And yes, I'll turn them over so that you can see the back sides of them. And remember, if you don't like a title card, what do? You can use it for cutting out a template. Photo corners. I love photo corners. Make my own photo corners. Photo mounting, you know? Or you can make a patchwork quilt design. Lots of options. So let's do the title cards. Sun-Kissed Memories. Really, really cute. It goes with that third paper up there. The next is Splash Zone. I have some pictures of my daughter when she was little and we'd go to the water park. I'm sure I can find a picture to use this one in. I'm not showing you the side B's because it's just white on the flip side. Sunrise, sunburns, sunset, repeat. Yes, adults can use this for when they go on beach trips. It's not a kid-themed kit, really. Then we have all these little labels that you can use with, you can stick it on or use it with a template. Oceans of Fun, Sunny Day. I will always love you. That's cute. You occupy my heart. That's cute. Whale watching. Born to chase sunsets. I think you're great. Hanging with the jellies. So this is side A. This is side B. I could probably use several of these. So we'll see. I mean, I have lots of cruise pictures. I could put those with them. Yeah. Sunsets are always my favorite color. I have lots of sunset pictures. So that's side, oh, that's side A. That's side B. I'm going to use this one. Sandy Toes and Smiles, Dive Right In. 2 different titles. Just cut it down the middle and use them both. That's side B. Probably going to use this one. Aquarium Crew. I haven't gone to an aquarium in a long, long time. My daughter's 28. So side A, side B, I'm probably going to use this one unless I can figure out another word to put there. So we'll see. Having a whale of a good time. Yes, I can use this one, but this is only side A. Let's see what's on side B. Yes, I'll use this one. And finally, a whale of a tale. It's a journaling card. So side A, and look at the cute little whale and the blue and little blue patterned. It's really cute. Side A, side B, I'm going to use this one. So those are the title cards, and all we have left now are the templates. If you're interested in this kit, what I would do is I would go sign up for the Kiwi Club. I'll have all the information down below, the link. There's 2 different kinds of Kiwi Clubs. The first one is the Premier Kit, and it's this kit here. The other kit is the template only kit, and that is what you get. You get the templates only. So make your choice. You can stop it at any time. Try it out. I get it every month. I do my videos. I do have some that I haven't touched yet, but I'm going to. This summer is my summer of scrapbooking, is what I'm going to call it. I have set goal of pages to use to create, so we'll see how I do. Okay. Sorry, this one is really, really big. Okay, so the template set name for this month is called Sea Life. I love this template. Why? Because you use it so many different ways. Well, in different directions. You can put it at the top of the page, put it at the bottom of the page, put it on the side of the page, or the other side of the page. You don't like that the way the rays are going? Flip it. Flip it like that. You can cut it out, you can stencil it, you can use pen marks, you can just trace it and leave it as a trace, and you can color it in. Lots of different ways to use this template set. And then we have a little, I'm going to call it a little border of Sea Life. This is number 2 of 5. This is 12 by, what is it? 12 by 5.5. So that was easy, 12 inches. Sea Life number 2. They all have their little numbers on them, so you know which template is which. This one is just about 7 inches by, we're going to say an inch. I'm measuring from here to here, the width, well, height. Okay, and you could put this, like, have the waves in front of the sunshine. That'd be really cute. Okay. The next template is these water droplets in a circle. You don't have to use them together. You can use the water droplets alone. So we'll put that there. Oh, sorry. Measurements are 2 3/8 by, well, it's a circle, so it's going to be 2 3/8 by 2 3/8. The next one is the whale. I like the whale. I need to find pictures to use with the whale, but I'm sure I can. So he measures just over 5, we'll say 5.5. And then from the tail to the bottom of the whale is about 3 1/4. Really, really cute. This measures right there just under 2 inches. And this is number 4 or 5 of Sea Life. And the final template for this kit is really, really cute. That's why I'm saving it for last. It's number 3 of 5, and it's the octopus. Isn't he cute? But you can use it for kid pages too. You know, put socks or something, clean up, everybody, everywhere. You could use it for kid pages. You could put a pirate hat on him. We had a template set for Halloween a few years ago. It had a pirate hat in it. You can put that on him. It would look really, really cute. But what I wanted to add was that on each template set, it says the name. So this one is Sea Life, and then it has, well, the Kiwi Lane name, of course, but it has the number of what template this is. So if I lose Mr. Octopus, I don't know where he is, I can go to Kiwi Lane support, and I can say, hey, Kiwi Lane, do you have an extra Mr. Octopus? And if they do, they'll, of course, charge me for it. They'll just send it to me. And that's what's great about Kiwi Lane. They help you. So if you like this kit, I suggest you get it now because it's going to be very, very popular. They did order a few extra sets because they know it's going to be popular. I'm going to create with this as soon as I can, and I'll share that on my Facebook page. I'm going to have links to my Facebook page, my website, everything, and the Kiwi Club Kit so you can order. And I think that's about it for this month, for this week. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day. Bye.